All right, next we're gonna end up be valve cover gaskets. And here we are for the valve cover gaskets. Your left and your right, and then nice and simple, just like so. Now what I like to do, I like to take that stuff right here, and I like to dab it just on the little corners right here, just where the bends are. And then I put the valve cover gasket on, and then what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna do the same thing for that on top as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some gasket sealer on there, and we'll be back. All right, what I also forgot to mention is I like to put a little bit of oil around the spark plug tube seals, just so it makes it a lot easier to get it around those and you don't ruin and rip the seals. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove all of these out. I'm gonna go ahead and oil up what I can. So I just like to go ahead and rub a little bit of oil around these real quick. And then you're going to carefully put this on here without ruining or damaging anything. Make sure we're not crushing these rings. And just like that, you got that on there. And unfortunately for me, I don't have any more of those nice little rubber things because they are all kind of ruined and destroyed. So I have leftover mangled pieces right here. Usually when you buy the exhaust manifold or when you buy the valve cover gaskets seal set, they will come with them. Fortunately, I didn't need to buy another set because they were still brand new with only a couple thousand miles on them, so I'm just improvising at this point with these. I need a 10 mil. Everything's so slippery, so I can fill with oil. And just like that, you got your valve cover gasket, your valve cover on, just like so. As you can see, there is a little thing that is actually pre-attached to the valve cover gasket. But as you can see, everything's been nice and turned around. So go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and get started on this side. I'm just going to go ahead and get some things pre-prepped, so I'll be right back. All right, we're back. I'm gonna go ahead and prep everything up with the oil, get everything nice and oiled up. Those are nice and oiled up now. Here we go for this one. Make sure those aren't going to crush anything. You don't want to force it just because you don't want to ruin the O-rings. Just like so, you got this one on. And the same thing goes with these. Want to have these on there. Grab my 10 mil. Grab this. I'll do 94. Go ahead and grab the one that I brought. Finish this up. You got this on there. All I have to do is tighten them up in. And since you put the gasket material on there, you still want to let it dry for at least 24 hours before you really start putting any oil in there. But there you have it. Now you have your valve cover gaskets